Oh, Dr. Bunsen Honeydew here at Muppet Labs, where the future is being made today. And today we have something to speed up those time-consuming repairs. Yes, you've guessed it already, the electric sledgehammer. Simple in concept, yes, but is it foolproof? Well, that's where my assistant, Beaker, comes in. Very good, Beaker, right on cue. Now, when I plug the machine in, you press the start button, and we'll drive this stubborn old nail to kingdom come. Go. Oh, dear. Oh, thank you, Beaker. Now you've broken it. No, he hasn't.
Here's a Muppet News Flash. Muppet Labs has announced the escape of their new electric sledgehammer, which is believed to be roaming the city on a very long extension cord. There is no need to panic, however, since the hammer only attacks really wimpy nerds.
Okay, the Pied Piper number's next. Pied Piper next.
There's too much violence on newscasts.